Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hair video for y'all, but this one's a little different. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I reinstall old wigs using the glueless method. This is a wig that I installed initially, but I took it off for a while, and now today I put it back on. But the last time I installed it I used glue, but this time I'm doing the glueless method. So yeah, I usually show y'all how I install wigs with a fresh lace, like lace that hasn't already been cut, and it's a fresh wig, fresh frontal, whatever. That's usually how I show y'all how I install my wigs, but today I'm showing y'all how to install a wig that's already has the lace cut. It's already been customized, already plucked, whatever. It's an old wig, but you want to bring it back to life and you want to put it back on. And that's why I did the glueless method, because I'm really going to take this back off tonight, but I wanted to put it on today. So the hair I'm wearing today is from OWN Hair. They reached out to me and they sent me 4 bundles in a frontal. This is 4 bundles of 28 inches, and this is their deep wave texture and a 20-inch deep wave frontal. I'm pretty sure this was their transparent lace frontal. Yeah, this was their transparent lace, and it was just a 13x4 frontal. And yeah, as you can see, this is deep wave texture. I did dye this hair jet black. I don't normally dye hair jet black, but I'm about to start doing like all my wigs jet black, because jet black just makes your hair look so much better. I don't know what it is about jet black, but it just really helps the hair really pop and makes it look really shiny and healthy. And yeah, I want to thank OWN Hair for sending me this hair. I'm in love with this wig. Like, first of all, this was like my second time doing like 4 bundles. Like, I usually do 3 bundles when I do a wig, but this time I did 4 bundles. So as y'all can see, first of all, this is a lot of hair. I didn't break down my hair this time. I just put my hair in a bun so y'all can see, like, clearly my head is in a bun. But yeah, y'all can see this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. So I like a lot of hair, so I'm not complaining. So yeah. So this is 28 inches. So on me it comes down to, like, I'm trying to show y'all. I know y'all already saw me wear this hair on my Instagram, because I already posted pictures wearing this hair and stuff. But I just wanted to reinstall it, because to be honest, the first time I installed it, I really didn't like how I installed it. Like, it wasn't the best that I could do. So that's why I wanted to refilm installing this wig, but this time I wanted to do a glueless method. And I just wanted to show y'all how y'all can reinstall y'all's old wigs. Like, if the lace is already cut, the knots have already been bleached, it's already been plucked, customized, I already have baby hairs, whatever. I wanted to show y'all how I reinstall my old wigs when I want to do the glueless method. Again, so this is the glueless method. I'm calling this the glueless method, but it's kind of like half the glueless method, because to truly be the glueless method, I probably should have did an elastic band, but I didn't do that. I just left it as is, but I just used the got to be spray. But yeah, I really like how this hair came out. I love black hair on me. I love long hair. You can never go wrong with black. You can never go wrong with long. And you can really never go wrong with like curly. One thing I will say about this hair is it is a little bit on the drier side, but that's kind of normal when you're dealing with like a curlier texture of hair. But it is a little bit on the drier side and a little bit on the tangly side. But other than that, this hair is really nice quality. It's really thick. It's thick from root to tip. That's important, because a lot of companies will send y'all hair and like the root be thick and then like the ends be like thin and stringy, and that's ugly. If y'all aren't already, go follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. It'll be on the screen. It's always in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
So before y'all tell me in the comments, I already know that the knots are a little bit over bleached. Trust me, I see it. I'm aware. I'm already upset about it. But they wasn't too bad. Like, they were manageable. So yeah, I already know that. So y'all ain't gotta tell me in the comments. So I just wanted to show y'all what the wig looked like before I cut the lace and before I did anything. This is what I look like after I bleached the knots and finished plucking. So today when I did the glueless method, I didn't even braid my hair down, because I had just got my hair straightened like a week and a half ago. Granted, my hair not that straight right now, but I still want to maintain having my hair straight. Like, I'm not ready to be done with my straight hair. So I just pulled my hair back in a bun today, because I wasn't finna do all that braiding, because I was going to take it out that night. So yeah, I just pulled my hair back in a sleek bun, and then I put this wig cap on top. So I'm just taking the wig and lining everything up and making sure that I'm seeing where I want to place everything before I spray, so that I know where to spray. So after I line everything up, I just pull the wig back, and I take it section by section. I highly recommend that, especially if you're a beginner, to take it section by section. That makes it a lot easier to manage and a lot easier to just really make sure you get every section laid down and you're not spraying too much. I think that's something I really struggled with when I first started doing the glueless method. Like, I would try to spray everything at one time, and it would always be one section that wouldn't stay down right, so then I'd have to respray it, and then this section would come up and respray that, and then you just end up with a whole bunch of spray and build up, and that's not cute. So I highly recommend to go section by section. I start at the middle, I spray down the middle section, I let that dry for a little bit, I place the lace down. I start from the middle of that lace and kind of work my way outwards, and just taking the end of the comb to just press the lace down into the spray. And then I continue to do that same process for each section. So my favorite way to lay my lace and lay my edges, period, is to use these elastic bands that I get from the beauty supply store. They're basically just these elastic bands, but they have a Velcro strap in. It just makes it so easy because you just literally put it on and just strap it, and it stays nice and firm, and it really just melts your lace like better than any scarf, I feel like. So now I'm taking off the elastic band, and I'm just looking and making sure that all of my lace is laid down everywhere and none of my lace is coming up, so that I can get ready to style my hair. So to do my baby hairs, I'm using the Nairobi foaming mousse. That's my all-time favorite mousse. Like, I've tried other mousses, but I always come back to this one because other mousses just always lift my lace. So I'm using this with the comb part of my little edge brush, and I'm just doing my edges. I was in a rush when I was doing this video, so my baby hairs really wasn't to the best of my abilities, but I did some baby hairs or whatever. So I'm just taking these scissors and I'm just trimming the ends a little bit just because the ends were looking a little bit dead. So I just wanted to give them a little trim. So I'm taking the elastic band off again and just looking at my edges and just making sure everything is right and there's no like stray hairs or anything. And yes, I am aware that you can kind of see my cap through my lace a little bit on the one side, and that's just kind of what happens when you don't do a bod cap, which typically I would do a bod cap when I'm doing a real install, but since this was just kind of a rushed glueless method, I wasn't tripping too much. I was just making sure to not part my hair on that side. So a trick that I kind of like to use when my knots are a little bit over bleached, I'm just taking this mascara and I'm just going along the roots and just kind of rubbing it in real close to the roots. I don't really want to get it on the lace because getting anything on your lace is never really a good look, especially black. But I'm just getting real close up on the hair, especially where it might be brown or kind of the orangish color. And I'm just getting real close to get it nice and black. That's just a little trick that I like to use when my knots are a little bit over bleached. Pretty sure that's like really old, but yeah. So yeah, that is it for this video. That's it for this glueless install. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to this point, you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. All of that is in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.